So Frank Lloyd Wright wasn't particularly famous for using natural materials. In fact, most of this house is concrete block. But the current owner of this home, the son of the first owners, took advantage of the 50 plus years of this building being on a site in the middle of a tree farm to avail himself of an enormous amount of locally grown cherry wood, including almost 2 miles of this 3/4 by 3/4 wood. He built a vacuum table and learned to veneer in order to create 8 foot by 22-inch hollow core doors, and then be able to book match from his own property the veneer on the plywood for these other doors. Pretty cool use of local wood.